Hi, I'm Terry. I've lost 175 pounds with keto and carnivore. Thank you for watching. That's what I look at every time I come up the steps. He's the toll man. I gotta pay the toll. Gotta pay the toll. Mickey's. Mwah. He's the toll man. You gotta pay the toll man to get through. Here we are. We're going for another ride. It's a really pretty day out there, so we might as well go enjoy it. It's too cold to walk, so we're gonna go enjoy ourselves. We're not going anywhere important or doing anything special. Just gonna take a little drive, give the dogs some scenery. They're feeling antsy, and like I said, I can't walk them because it's like just 40 degrees. So, all right. I have to remember that I have a backup camera. But I have to still look and make sure nobody's coming. So weird to have a backup camera. They definitely don't like when I turn or do anything to adjust the speed. They flip and flop and slip and slide. Away we go. Like I said, we're just going out and about. We're just going to take a little drive. All right, I'm cutting it off so I don't get in trouble. Bye.